So guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, a lot of my friends asked me on how I edit my YouTube videos. So I've decided to do this tutorial or to show you guys kung ano ba yung app na ginagamit ko for my videos or on how I edit my song covers, my vlogs, or etc. So guys, for this app, madaling-madali lang talaga ito gamitin and basic lang talaga. So, let's start! So, guys, ipapakilala ko po ngayon sa inyo ang app na ginagamit ko. This is the Vllo. So, guys, if you wanna know about this tutorial, just keep on watching! Hi, guys! Ito po yung ating Vllo app. Just click here. And punta tayo dito sa Great Video. Or kung meron na tayong project na nagawa, just click here, down. Ito, like for example.
Kailanman hindi magbababa.
Ayan. So if you guys want to add some like intro, here, this is my intro example. Ayan. But if you want to change this, just delete here. And click here, the plus sign. Ayan. Click nyo lang yan. And you can add some intro example here. Ayan.
Kailanman hindi magbababa.
And you can choose this solve or this fade. Ayan. So after that, you can add some text here. Ayan. Ito yung text natin. Part 1. Kagting Bohol, like that. And if you guys want some animation, you can put here the video fade out or scale up like this. Yan, parang nag-fade siya at the ends. Yan. And pwede din tong mapalitan yung kulay ng text natin. Here, click the style and you can choose any color like that.
But I will choose this one, the color white. And
let's proceed for another example. Ito, kung gusto nyo itong ma-zoom, meron naman tayong zoom in and zoom out dito sa ating video. Tap here and click this split. Yan. And click here the resize. And you will just click here also the Kenborn or motion effect. Ayan. So this is our first scene. This is the first scene and the last scene. Example, we will just have to zoom in or out. Ayan. And yan, example, ha? Ay! Ito, like that. And
hi!
Zoom that one. Mahina lang yung audio natin. We can just choose here 250 or 300 kung mahina talaga siya. We can choose here and up to 500. but some of my videos I prefer to use 200 or 300, like, okay, 260 na lang. If you guys want to add some sticker, just click here the motion sticker, like, and we can choose here the sticker or the template. Like, for example, here we can choose vlog, SNS, animal, baby, beauty, border, Christmas, cooking, effect, flag, Halloween, love, mask, or C. Ito na lang yung C. We will just click here and choose some effects here. And we have a lot of effects dito. And depende lang sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong pipiliin. Summer Paradise, example, this one. Sample Summer Paradise. And ayan. Pwede din palitan yung color. Like that. Kung ano yung gusto nyong color na pipiliin, we can freely choose here. Example, the block. Yan.
Sa puyo ko no, mura makag nakasakag dyan.
Or we can adjust or move here. And like for example, kung mai-add kayo na image or GIF, just click here, the PIP. Example, sa audio natin, ito yung audio na napipili natin, like this po, this color green. This is the old,
Like that. We can choose sound effects. Meron tayong crowd applause, crowd cheer, crowd laugh, crowd sad. Meron tayong transition here. And making fun, punch, laugh, rain, mouse click 2, TV beep, TV noise, error beep, or keyboard typing. Anything po na gusto nyong i-add sa audio. And meron naman din tayong ano dito, 1 to 29 seconds na sound. Yung iba meron 2 minutes. Example, we will choose this Christmas.
and kung medyo malakas naman yung music, we can adjust here to 0 to 10. If you want to use this label, marami tayong label dyan. Yung iba is naka-lock. Yung iba naman is naka-unlock. Kung ano yung gusto nyong text, pwede po. Yan, i-double tap nyo na lang yan. Ha ha ha. Then, if gusto nyong i-save na itong video as if na-finish na po ito, just click here, this arrowhead. Ayan, i-click nyo po yan. And meron po tayong resolution here. You can choose high, low.
Video. Meron din tayong ano dito, frame rate, 30 FPS or anything. You can choose here. 30 or 48, yeah.
And after that, you can export now.